For question 21, we're asked to refer back to question 19 and the two-way table that pertain to the opinions of consumers on the quality of recycled coffee filters. So for consumers, we had two types. We had buyers and we had non-buyers. And their opinions could be either that the recycled filters were of higher quality, same quality, or lower quality. And then the data from question 19 is as follows. And then question 1 wants us to give the conditional distribution of opinion for buyers and